What's up, everyone? Nice to see you again. In this scene, 214 minus 214, which equals 0, times 214 minus 214 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 214 times 214 equals 45,796. So we have 214 minus 45,796 minus 214, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 214 minus 45,796, which equals minus 45,582. So we have minus 45,582 minus 214, which equals minus 45,796. And this is our final answer for this problem. Join the fun, like, subscribe, and share this video.